Hi everyone! Thank you so much for watching today. In this video, I'll be arranging some light purple delphiniums. I hope you enjoy it. Stay with me until the end. Today's flowers are delphinium, oncidium, goldenrod, and monstera. Monstera is known for its large, distinctive leaves. Even though it's not a flower, it can still be used as a main element in the arrangement because of its strong presence. Today, I'll be using two monstera leaves. First, I decide where to place them in the arrangement. This time, I'll position one low and the other standing upright. First, I arrange the lower monstera leaf. Take a moment to observe its shape carefully and find the angle that shows the leaf's beauty the most. The second monstera will be placed upright, but this time I'll position it so the back of the leaf is facing forward. It instantly gives the whole piece a more artistic feel, doesn't it? Next, I'll arrange the delphinium. This variety grows straight and upright. Since the stem is very long, I divide it into two parts. One to highlight the elegant tip, and the other to enjoy the charm of its lower upright section. Now it's time for the goldenrod. Goldenrod is such a versatile material. It pairs well with almost any flower and helps connect all the elements in the arrangement. I'll place the goldenrod so it gently connects the delphinium and the monstera. And with the oncidium in place, the arrangement is complete. The stem of oncidium is quite thin, so if it's hard to fix it into the kenzan, try using the bamboo skewer technique I showed in the peony video. It makes it much easier to insert. All done! Looks beautiful, right? Isn't it amazing how you can create something so beautiful with just a few flowers? Ikebana really is such a joyful art, don't you think? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's keep exploring the beauty of Ikebana, one of Japan's traditional arts, together. And if you'd like to experience the healing power of flowers more deeply, please check out my ebook. It's available in both English and Japanese, so if you are interested in the Japanese language, I encourage you to try reading it in Japanese too. You can find the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope this video brings happiness and peace to your heart. See you next time. Bye!